So one by one, need not think about grammar, what you are speaking, what you're going to speak up. Don't think anything. Whatever comes in your mind, just start speaking. Need not think, is it right or wrong? Right? So the topic is that suppose you have come in a meeting or any kind of student seminar or anywhere, you are motivating the students. So how would you motivate students? While walking, you can use this kind of gesture, posture while talking with the people, or you can put on this mic this way. After putting on the mic, just speak loud and clear. You need to motivate everyone so that they should be listening you properly. Never think about grammar. Just whatever comes out in your mind, just start speaking with that, right? So while walking, you need to walk up to here to this way, maintaining eye contact with everyone. So keep maintaining eye contact with them. तानी खिलना ऐसे आगे आना थोड़ा सा ना. So once you finish it, then hand over the mic to any other person, right? So who would like to start first? So now it will be your turn. You can start first. So you can put on the mic over there. Start now.
ऐसे लगा
Ready, start. Start. Keep quiet now, huh?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. And you? How's your life? It's awesome. My life is also awesome. I would like to tell you something about health. For motivation, I would like to tell you about health. What is health? According to me, if we wanna get success in our life, something what achieve in life, then if we wanna achieve in life, then we have achieve a great health. If we have a good health, then we can achieve anything. A good If we have a good health, then many few factors can affect in our goals in our life. Suppose if we are not a good our health, how can you do something like education, like families help? And if you have a healthy habits, if our body is healthy, then we can share our experience in others, and we can go and we can help others in our family members also. If we are not doing good well and we are not looking healthy, then how can we do anything in our family, and we how we can do in others for others? So thank you for listening me.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. How are you all? I am also fine. How's your life? My life is also awesome. So, today I have come here to tell about the key point of success. It's discipline. So, discipline is not just about following rules. It is only the way to make habits. The habits makes the habits shapes your future. With that, you have to make decision, right choice, and something that you have to make your future. Yes, sir. So first we have. So anybody have any question related to discipline? So we have to make some rules in our life. First, we have to wake up early in the morning, and we have to do some goals and use some ideas for making our future well. So thank you.
Anyone else, please?
Good evening, everyone. How are you? I'm also fine. So, I want to tell you something. जो what is happens in our life, because you have seen some of the students and some of the childrens is waste our times like friendship, right? And most of the boys, I think 80% of the boys waste the money of his parents, right? So please think, just think, why did God send you on only these family? Why did God send you only these family? Because you have the power to face the problem which face what face your parents, right? So I want to say you have to uh, understand your problems and your parents problems, and please achieve your goals, because uh, parents your parents thinks about your future, and he wants to see you success in life, right? So please do something for your parents. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. How are you all? I am also fine. And how's your life? So today I would like to tell about the very important topic, that is how to speak in English. This is the most common problem for the every UP world problem and Hindi medium people problem. People, sorry. And I would like to ask one question: how many people from this in the institute in UP world? One, two, three, four. Please put up three, three. Most I see most of the student also from belong the UP world, and in daily life he also faces the problem in his life, so he can't face the CBSE student, like he also talk in English every time, and the most of the people he also say that everybody is telling in the English, and he wants to learn something, and I also talk in English. So my father is thought for myself our children is going in right side. So and or also, and so I when I listen to everybody, also take one also some also think one problem in his life, when somebody when I am in class, I ask to my friend, or he also tell me when I would like to tell about my friend circle, and he is telling in English, so everybody is laughing on it, and he feels in trouble, and get hesitate for speaking next time. But I speak to that you don't care about the audience, and speak loudly. Don't care about that. Always think about your parents, because they are already responsible for your education. Your friend circle is not responsible for your education. Your parents is only responsible for your parents. When your parents is not accept the defeat, why do you accept the defeat? So my friend is accept that, and he tell me that you are very appreciate me, so I can learn English and speak them. Thank you. Anybody?
Good evening, everyone. So my name is Lucky, and I'm from Basira Colony. So, your dream are not just dream; they can be real. They can be real. Then you work hard for them. Work hard for them. Sorry, work hard for them. वो अरे बीच में डिस्टर्ब मत करो what you can study, so you can make your life very most luxurious and make your life very comfortable. Thank you. That's it. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? I'm fine, and you? I'm also fine. So, myself Rudra, and today I'm in front of you to tell you about time management. So, we have to manage our time. We every day we got 24 hours in a day. We have to manage it properly, not wasting our time. We have to work on our skill management. If we manage our skill daily, we can achieve our goals and shape our future godly. So, thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you? I am fine. I am also fine. How's your life? It's awesome. My life is also awesome. Today, many people think, how do many successful person become so successful? The secret of it is smart work and hard work. So today my topic is hard work. What is hard work? Hard work is the only thing that overcomes hard luck is hard work. So hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So many people does not do hard work. They do not smart work. They do shortcuts of anything. They want to find shortcuts of everything. So success is not success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is a courage to continue that counts. Many people have dreams. Like, what is your dream?
My dream is to become a rich man for my parents only.
So a dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. So thank you. And I would like to say nothing can be achieved without doing hard work. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. How are you? I'm also fine. Today I tell about what is discipline, because mostly students face problem in discipline. So discipline is a discipline. लगाओ. Discipline is not just about following rules. Uh, it is about making a right choice. Uh, right choice. It is making नहीं, it is have a वे कर दिया ये. Sorry sir. You focus on your goal for discipline. बोलना. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. My name is Sneha. I'm currently in BA. I am currently in college doing BA. I am NCC cadet, so I would like encourage to maintain discipline. If you have discipline, you can achieve anything in your life. Discipline makes you a good person. Discipline is most important in your life, but you people do not keep discipline in your life. So we should keep discipline in your life. Thank you. Anything? Anyone?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you? I am fine, and you? I am also fine. So my name is Omdev, and I have come here to tell you about your dream is not just a dream. So before starting, I would like to thank sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak in front of you. So the your your dream is not, your dream are not just your dream. If भाई कोई और बोलो.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you? I am also fine. How's your life? It's good, and yours? My life is also awesome. I have come here to tell you about two motivation to success. A success does not have any codes of events. For example, it doesn't make a difference in what you were in the past. It is important what you are in the present. Thank you.
Keep it up.
कैसे लगा?
Hello everyone. How is your life? It's awesome. My life is also awesome. And I am telling you about what is success and how is the Josh.
Hi, sir. Speak loudly.
What is success? Tell you. According to you.
Success is achieve all your dreams.
You tell me ki what is success? You achieved goals. Success is most important thing. All people's were achieved success, and all people need achieved goals is success, and all people's were dream become a IAS officer and is a success, and most people were achieved army officer is success. What is success? SERET. S stands for self management, E stands for efforts management, C stands for company management, and R stands for relationship management, E stands for emotional management, and T stands for time management. You all you achieved success. You make time management, not you make self management, you make relationships, and you make not company management, you make company with friends and bad peoples. He is smoking, the company does effect, and you smokes with your friends, and your success is broke, not achieve success. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Sallai. How are you? I am fine, and you? I am also fine. What's about your life? It's good, and yours? My life is always awesome. Today I tell motivational for women and everyone. Uh, the strongest action for a woman in is to love herself, be herself, and shine a most those who never believed she could. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Hello. How are you?
Thank you, and you? So let's get started.
I am also fine. How's your life?
It's good, and yours?
My life is also awesome. So our topic is think big and power. So if you think big, you can achieve it, and if you think small, you achieve the small things. So always think big, and you have to try the power build in our inside, in your mind, and always try to always try to power in your hand, so you can do anything if you who you want. So I want to share something else, and I our Swami Vivekananda, so he said that all power is within you and you can do anything and everything. And thank you.
लेके आना मेरे लिए So as it's your first ever activity, right? We will be having this kind of activities further also. So here we need to think of one thing. When you stand here, while standing, you are not to be more advanced, not to be more excited, not to be more hyper. What you need to do, just stay calm as she was there. Her body language was fine, but speech wise, he was fine. Concept, he cleared many things, like he had some content, right? So everybody has different things. What you need to do now next, create content for 30 to 40 seconds. Maintaining this kind of activities like this will maintain your eye contact and it will boost your confidence. Many people are not able to move, they are not able to make eye contact with everyone. If you keep trying these kind of activities, then you can easily gain confidence in you. You can have eye contact with anyone who's standing. When you become a team member, captain of a team, when you're standing in a meeting, that time you can go for this thing. These things also take place over there in our group meetings, in offices. When you are a leader of any political party, you are preaching them about something. So that's how they keep standing over there. At least you can gain confidence while talking with them. English doesn't matter. You can go for Hindi also, English also, but we need confidence to maintain eye contact with them. So this is how we can improve this thing. If you keep doing this every day, while it is being recorded also, I will upload on YouTube. You can also watch your body language over there. You need to be still. You are not to move again and again, keep moving like that. You are to move like that, keep changing your positions. If you keep changing position, at least you will feel less nervous over there. Standing at one place, somewhere you might feel nervous, but when you're moving like that, you have changed your eye contact one person to another person, then you can feel comfortable. I'm also moving, but I'm not taking more time like that. So stand at one place, your step has to be calm, right? Stable, and as he used words, success needs a secret. The secret, like S stands for, as he explained this, S stands for self-management. When you are managing yourself, it means manage yourself. Always feel confident, neat and clean, and tidy up yourself. E stands for efforts management. How you are showing the efforts. Are you showing efforts in right direction or wrong direction? So efforts management matters. Then C stands for company management. The way you are standing with the people, what kind of people you have in your surrounding, what kind of friends you are making. So company management matters a lot. Then R stands for relationship with your parents, with your friends, with your couple, with your friends. Whosoever, the relation management is really important. When you have achieved lots of money, you have achieved everything, but your relation is not fine, then you are not going to be happy. You are not going to be happy, never ever, right? Then E stands for emotional management. You should not be emotional fool. Person has to be emotionally stronger. If somebody says anything to you, they are just pretending as if they are crying, but you are to be strong over there. Then last, T stands for time management. People, we don't have time. We keep using mobile phone, we're wasting our time. So instead of squandering your time, you can utilize your time doing something better activities. So that's how you must have a content at least for 30 to 20 seconds. It will help you out a lot, right? Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.